everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rehabilitation center businesses. For example, you have a rehabilitation center in where you can provide different facilities to your patient regarding the therapies, booking consultation and customer support. Responding each and every patient manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your patient send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rehabilitation center businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patient automatically, instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of rehabilitation center, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to Pabbly Rehab Center. We are here to support your loved one's recovery journey. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is rehab program, book consultation and support. If I'll click on rehab program, then it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different type of programs, that is physical therapy, addiction recovery and speech therapy. If I'll click on physical therapy, then it will respond to me like this while including all the sessions they are providing to their patient and also providing me one book consultation and not now button. If I'll click on book consultation, then it will respond to me like this. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this rehabilitation center. So basically, this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our patient automatically, instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your rehabilitation center businesses. If you want to create this chatbot, then you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So at first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, so I'll click on this button flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our rehabilitation center businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any message of your patient that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account. Now I want to add one welcome message for my patients, so that whenever they send a message in my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am selecting one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the welcome message for my patients. Here I write it, while at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my patient, that how can I assist you today? So for answering this, I am providing some buttons to them. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as rehab programs. The second button I'll write is book consultation. And the third button I'll write as support. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my patient. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle, so that our flow is connected to our message. Now in the next step, when my patients wants to know about the rehabilitation program that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write the details regarding the rehab programs that are occurring in my rehabilitation center. Here I write it, where you can see I write this rehab program in the asterisk sign because I want to give this message to my patient's WhatsApp account in the bold format. That's why I use this asterisk sign. Now here I want to add some rehab programs that I am providing to my patient. For this, I am clicking on this plus add button, and the first therapy that are available in my rehabilitation center is physical therapy. The second therapy I'll write is addiction recovery, and the third I'll write is speech therapy. Here I write, now if my patient wants to book a physical therapy in my rehabilitation center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. Here it will provide me one message box where I can write the details regarding the physical therapy that are occurring in my rehabilitation center. Here I write it, now I want to give one button for my patient that if they want to book this physical therapy program, then they will click on this button. For this, I am clicking on this plus add button, and in this enter text box, I'll write as book consultation, or the another button I'll write as Not now. So here I write it. If my patient wants to book a consultation in my physical therapy program, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing one message for my patient that thank you for booking consultation in my rehabilitation center. Our team will contact you soon. Here I write it. Now what if my patient does not want to book any consultation right now? Then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing the response message here. Here I write it. If my patient wants to know about the addiction recovery program that are providing by my rehabilitation center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle which are present in front of addiction recovery, drag a line, and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write all the details regarding the addiction recovery program that are occurring in my rehabilitation center. Here I write it. Now, if my patient wants to book the consultation in this addiction recovery program, then they will click on the book consultation button that I am providing to them by clicking on this plus add button and provide one book consultation button by entering in this enter text box. Here I write it, and the another button I'll write is not now. Now, if my patient wants to book the consultation in this addiction recovery program, then they will click on this book consultation button. The bot will respond to the same as they will respond to the booking consultation of this program. So I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book consultation to the message written here because the response would be the same. That's why I am connecting this circle to this circle and this not now circle to this message because our bot will respond to the same. Now if my patient wants to know about the speech therapy that are providing by my rehabilitation center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write the details about the speech therapy that are occurring in my rehabilitation center. Here I write it. For this also the button would be the same, that is book consultation and not now. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book consultation to the respond message that we were written here. See, it is connected. And this not now circle to this message. See. The response would be the same. Here it is connected. Now, if my patient wants to directly book the consultation in my rehabilitation center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write the message that thank you for booking consultation with us. Our team will connect to you soon. Here I write it. Now, if my patient wants to know about the contactual details of my rehabilitation center, then they will click on this support button so that my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contactual details of my rehabilitation center. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your rehabilitation center businesses. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patients automatically, instantly, without you doing anything, by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Rehabilitation Center. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to Pabbly Rehab Center. We are here to support your loved one's recovery journey. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is rehab program, book consultation and support, that we were written here. See, rehab program, book consultation and support. If I'll click on rehab program, then it will respond to me like this, while providing me the programs that are available in this rehabilitation center, that is physical physical therapy, addiction recovery, and speech therapy that we were written here. See, physical therapy, addiction recovery, speech therapy. If I'll click on addiction recovery, then it will respond to me like this while providing me two options, that is book consultation and not now. If I want to book the consultation in this addiction recovery program, then I will click on this button, book consultation. See, it will respond to me like this. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this rehabilitation center. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how our bot will respond to your patient automatically, instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your rehabilitation center businesses. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.